Next, with our Wunzi starter system, there's 3 different options to choose from. There's 5 sizes of onesies that address birth to 24 months and about 7 to 26 pounds. So you can select the 3 sizes in the market group that you particularly work with for early intervention with those particular sized infants, and you'll get 3 onesie systems within one clinical starter system. So there's 3 options to choose from. The example I have here covers our small, medium, and large size onesies. So that covers from about 17 to 26 pounds and about 6 months to 2 years, roughly. So what comes in the clinical starter system is a small size onesie, a medium size onesie, and a large size onesie. On each of these chuckies that the onesie is attached to initially, there is a onesie extension strap attached to each one. In addition, each onesie, when it's attached to the chucky, there's donning instructions directly on the chucky for understanding how to don the breastplate and the onesie back piece that you see here. Usually when you use it in clinic, you want to don it over a regular onesie that they're wearing. It's very versatile for addressing several different delayed milestones as well as your extension and flexion positions. That's primarily what you're addressing initially, and then you're touching on the delayed milestones that you want to address. So in addition to the breastplates, the onesie back pieces, the wide onesie trunk extension strap, there also comes 2 different size limb cuffs, so 4 of a smaller size and 2 of a larger size. There are 3 Tog-right cross straps, primarily for addressing extension or flexion. There are 2 smaller size split straps, and there are 6 larger size split straps. There are also 4 rotational straps if needed for any kind of rotational needs. There is a poster showing several different strapping techniques, both front and back, that show 4 common delayed milestones that you may be treating. And there's a clinical reference guide as well. So the Wunzi starter system is very handy for your early intervention market group when you're working with different age ranges within that birth to 24 months age, and primarily for working with delayed milestones or simply trunk control, postural support, just all about the core. So that's an example of our Wunzi starter system. If you have any questions, feel free to email support@TheraTogs.com, or you can always reach me at my clinical support number. Thank you again for coming to our clinical support video series.